With the Galaxy S25 lineup of high-end flagship phones finally out in the open and gearing up for their global debut, it's time to shift gears and talk about Samsung's foldable plans for the rest of the year. We already know Samsung is cooking up some interesting additions, including the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, a first-ever Z Flip Fan edition, and maybe even a mind-blowing trifold design to rival Huawei's Mate X-T. But let's be honest, details on these devices are still pretty murky. Most of what we're hearing is speculation since we're still months away from their expected summer 2025 launch. That said, there's one thing we might know for sure: the Galaxy Z Flip 7's main camera setup. If you're expecting another big leap in camera specs this year, you might want to lower those expectations. Samsung isn't exactly known for back-to-back camera overhauls. Case in point, last year's Z Flip 6 made a massive jump from the Z Flip 5's 12-megapixel main camera to a 50-megapixel snapper. So, another big upgrade this year? Highly unlikely. From what we're hearing, thanks to Galaxy Club, the Z Flip 7 is sticking to the same 50-megapixel main sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens as its predecessor. And yep, it'll still have that 10-megapixel selfie camera up front. Not exactly thrilling news, right? If you're side-eyeing Motorola's Razr Plus 2024 and its two 50-megapixel rear cameras paired with a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, we get it. The Razr has been pushing the envelope, and who knows what Motorola's 2025 lineup will bring. But before you roll your eyes too hard, remember that megapixels aren't the end-all, be-all for great photos. Samsung has been known to work some software magic, so there's still hope for the Z Flip 7's camera to punch above its weight. Thankfully, it's not all deja vu. One thing we can pretty much count on is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Yep, the same beast powering the Galaxy S25 lineup. That should give the Z Flip 7 a nice performance boost over the already solid Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the Z Flip 6. But not the same for the Fan Edition variant because it could have the Exynos. There's also chatter about Samsung possibly increasing screen size this year, finally, which could mean a bigger battery too, fingers crossed. And hey, maybe they'll finally step up the charging speed from 25 watts to 45 watts. A foldable that charges faster. Yes, please. But beyond that, don't hold your breath for earth-shattering hardware upgrades. Samsung's foldable lineup might be in for another quiet year unless the Z Flip Fan Edition turns out to be a budget-friendly game-changer. So, what do you think? Are you excited for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, or does it feel like Samsung's playing it too safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's chat about it. Until next time, take care.